So the goats are an important part of our permacultural food system, and no spring cleaning day is all that important that you shouldn't stop and take a break and nurse the orphan goats. Okay. Our goats, these 3 goats were born this winter. Unfortunately, their mom did not survive, and we've had the good fortune to be able to nurse them with milk, a combination of cow and goat milk. And now we're in the final throes of their nursing time. And here they come. Here we go. Here we go. And you see the little boy there, and then the 2 little girls. And they're pretty happy to get their daily sustenance.
There you go. Dee, you get it. Come on. Show your beauty.
Makes us feel real important.